Lasagna is a favorite to many people, but it isn't easy to cook. The noodles are hard to cook, and it takes forever. Mock lasagna in an Instant Pot is just as good. The large shell pasta gives it a fun texture, and the Instant Pot makes it one pot, fast, and easy. Join Bunkie as she shows you how to make mock lasagna in an Instant Pot.
Hi everybody, today I'm cooking so easy with Bunkie. I'm going to be showing you how to make mock lasagna. We're going to make it in the Instant Pot. First you're going to need Italian sauces. Next you're going to need your large shells. Next I need beef broth and Italian sauce. And then mushrooms, garlic, Italian seasoning, salt, sugar, onions, mozzarella cheese, and we got the cheese. Now we're going to saute our Italian meat. Now we're going to put it on saute. We just about got it all broken up. What we're doing is flipping the sausage over because you can see the right here, the brown, it's starting to get brown. The meat is done browning. Now we're going to cover the meat with cells. And now we're going to put the beef broth on. Now we're going to add everything in it except for the cheeses. Now you're going to stir. My mom and dad promised me I would get my own cooking set if I got 100 views. So thank you for giving me 100 views in my 4 videos. Yummy.
This week's t-shirt design is Saucy Tomato. If you would like to order this t-shirt or our other designs, go to the link in the description below. Hi, we're the Vineyard Chicks, and we'd like to thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. Go ahead, click it now. We'd love to hear your questions and comments, so leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Thank you.